obviously this week includes section 110 as well, which we don't want to undercut or sell short. And that's an awesome lesson as well.
It does talk about Jesus's hair being white as snow with fiery eyes, which is pretty awesome.
So we hate not to give that its due. and
like the fact that like Christ appeared in the temple and accepted it and then sent messengers to reveal priesthood is probably the coolest part of this whole thing.
That probably is the coolest part, but that was the outgrowth of, and the blessing of the saints actually having done the thing. They dedicated, they consecrated, they gave all that they could to build the temple.
Is that how we refer to the covenant path now? They doing the thing?
They did the thing, man. They actually executed on what they were supposed to do. And it's so funny because so many of the chapters that we've been doing leading up to this section 109 and section 110 here, they were all in preparation for the temple being built. And then it's actually happened. Like it's actually come to pass. And we see now the benefit and the blessing of it. Joseph consecrates or dedicates the temple in section 109, and the beautiful prayer that's offered, the blessings that are pronounced during that prayer. And then obviously section 110, when Christ himself manifests himself in the temple, and not just to Joseph, by the way, but Oliver bears witness of this as well, and that he accepted it, and that it was sufficient, not perfect, not everything that Christ intended for the saints to receive, but it was accepted nonetheless. And I think that's really insightful for us as well in our lives. Like, you do the best you can, the Lord's going to accept it. It may not be where he wants you to end up. There may be more to do, but nothing's wasted on him. And we just keep moving forward. And if we put our best foot forward and try, he's going to embrace and accept it and manifest himself in our willingness to attempt to fulfill what he commands us to do.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.